start. As you have already pointed out, under Article 323 of the Constitution, the Union Public Service Commission submits annual reports, and these reports are laid before both the Houses of Parliament, along with any memorandum, if there be any, from the government explaining their position as to why they have not accepted the particular advice of the Commission. Sir, we have so far received 3 such reports from the Commission, and I have gone through these reports. Sir, the general impression that I have gathered after going through these 3 reports is that, apart from the fact that there have been cases of non-acceptance of the Commission's advice in many important matters, there are, sir, very serious irregularities committed by the executive government in the matter of appointments to the civil posts and the civil services. If you permit me, sir, I may add that I have found that there are occasions when the government has even bypassed the Houses of Parliament in their anxiety to provide for their favorites. Sir, under Article 320 of the Constitution, as you have already pointed out, the recruitments to civil posts and the civil services are to be made by the Union Public Service Commission. There are 2 basic ideas underlying this system of recruitment to the civil services adopted in our Constitution. Firstly, we desire that all eligible persons to a particular post should be entitled in the matter to enter into a fair and free competition to get that job. Secondly, we want to avoid all elements of patronage in the matter of appointments to our civil services. You will find that under the old regulation, which has been kept in force under Article 372, there are several categories of employment and posts which have been kept away from the purview of the Union Public Service Commission. One of these categories is temporary appointments lasting for less than a year. I maintain for a review of all these reports that the government has abused this power of temporary appointments. The government has used it as a shield to bestow all kinds of patronage. Sir, if you look at the posts, you will find that on the very face of it, they are not temporary posts, but that they are likely to continue for more than a year. Sir, appointments to such posts are made as temporary appointments merely to avoid the Union Public Service Commission. Stop.